you may face resistance, but eventually things will fall in place. The challenge is to keep going, and in that I realized that there is an opportunity to do PhD in alumni affairs. So PhD आप किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में कर सकते हो, राइट? तो मैंने देखा कि वर्ल्ड में alumni affairs में PhD कुछ बहुत कम लोगों ने की हुई है, like there are couple of them, and इंडिया में तो कोई भी नहीं है. तो मेरे को लगा कि PhD करनी चाहिए. लेकिन जब मैंने PhD के बारे में पता किया तो पता चला कि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट होना जरूरी है. So I was a graduate. So बात जब आई ग्रेजुएशन से पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट होने की, तो मैंने फिर जब गूगल किया तो आई फाउंड आउट कि MBA ठीक रहेगा, क्योंकि और मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सकता. तो देन आई अप्लाइड फॉर दी FMS. No, not the CAT. Executive MBA में कोई एंट्रेंस एग्जाम नहीं होता है. They see your work experience, they interview you, and they see a couple of more things. And I also appeared for it. And I don't know how, but out of 1,000 people, I was 11th ranked in the whole of FMS, and I was the topmost ranker in North Campus. So currently, I am also like you in my second semester in MBA. So that's my story. So now I will, what is the time? 12:10. So I am here with you for next 10 minutes. So I want you to ask a lot of questions in 10 minutes. But the only two things which I want you to think about is A, consider the definition of success which I have shared with you, distance between two failures. And I want to ask you a question. Like for example, I was talking to your faculty कि जो लोग MBA करते हैं, so like I want to know why you are doing MBA. To achieve your goals. And what are your future goals? मतलब MBA करने के बाद immediately बाद आप क्या करने वाले हो? Job. Hold on. So what are you going to do right after your MBA? Job. What are you going to do right after your MBA? Job. What are you going to do after your MBA? Job. Very good. What are you going to do after your MBA? Job. What about you? Very good. So 100% everybody wants to do. Most of you. अच्छा चलो, let me reverse. How many of you want to start your business right after your MBA? No, just raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Right after your MBA, how many of you want to do business? Okay. And eventually, how many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Eventually. So thank God, at least some of you want to become entrepreneurs. So मुझे अभी तक ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर समझ नहीं आया कि लोग MBA करने के बाद जॉब क्यों करना चाहते हैं. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बाद व्हाई पीपल आर एक्साइटेड टू डू जॉब. अरे आपको बिजनेस करना सिखा रहे हैं. हाँ. सो एटलीस्ट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है दैट बिजनेस शुड बी योर फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस. अच्छा, आप में से यहां पे अभी कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं? 200. तो मतलब 200 जॉब्स चाहिए, राइट? तो जॉब्स के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है? एंटरप्राइज, राइट? तो इंडिया को ज्यादा जॉब्स चाहिए कि इंडिया को ज्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स चाहिए? डू आई नीड टू से समथिंग मोर? तो कुछ लोग प्लीज यार, मतलब स्टेप आउट एंड ट्राई टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, राइट? और ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ना, TIE, टाई, can anybody tell me what is TIE? Anybody has any idea what is TIE? TIE is the full form of TIE is the Indus Entrepreneurs. तो कुछ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ने जो इंडियन ओरिजिन के थे, वर्ल्ड ओवर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खड़ी की है, और उनका सिर्फ एक ही काम है कि लोगों के अंदर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और एंटरप्राइजिंग नेचर को इग्नाइट कर सकें. तो ये जो प्रोग्राम आप देख रहे हैं, a person like me comes and talks to people about entrepreneurship. Vishwadeep will talk to you, all of you, about entrepreneurship. और आप लोगों के लिए ना सबसे राइट एज है, क्योंकि इफ यू स्टार्ट यंग, यू विल हैव मोर टाइम. आज आप कोई अपनी एंटरप्राइज शुरू करते हो तो आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू, एक्चुअली संजीव भीखचंदानी, नो, संजीव भीखचंदानी के बारे में किसी को पता है? Naukri.com, ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ Naukri.com. तो उनकी एक बुक में ना उन्होंने बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात लिखी है कि अगर आप लकी हो तो आप 5 साल में सक्सीड कर जाओगे इन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, राइट? अगर आप मीडियोकर हो तो 10 साल में कर जाओगे. लेकिन आप एकदम अनलकी हो, मतलब आपको कुछ नहीं चलता है, तो भी आप 15 साल में सुपर एंटरप्रेन्योर बन जाओगे अगर ट्राई करोगे तो. So I don't know if you are 20, you are in your 20s, no? If you choose to become entrepreneur from today, I can promise you by 35 you will be more wealthier than doing job. So I'm not dissuading, मैं आपको dissuade नहीं कर रहा कि जॉब मत करो, but I want to share with you कि entrepreneurship एक बहुत बड़ी opportunity और बहुत बड़ी possibility है. So that is one. So I want to leave you with 3 things. Celebrate your failures. Start young, start early, and consider entrepreneurship as an option, right? So, few questions. So, nobody has any question? Or you can give me a feedback also.
Sir, actually, before starting a business, you need to have capital with you,
Okay.
so that you if you are like going to be fail, like, then also you'll start again. If you don't have capital, you can't if I don't have capital with me and I am going to start a business and I'll face a failure, I won't be going again. So it's like before going to the business, I want to go to job and have some capital with me to start a business. That's
Right.
my question.
So, what is your question?
So this is my question.
No, no,
like,
you are telling me that.
No, this is my question. Like, if you're saying like before, yeah, where do I get capital if I want to go for business after right after my MBA?
Right. So, your question should be कि सर बिजनेस करने के लिए कैपिटल चाहिए होता है और
पैसे.
मेरे पास नहीं है, मैं कहाँ से लाऊं?
कहाँ से लाऊं?
राइट?
Yes, sir.
सिंपल.
Simple.
आपने 12th में क्या पढ़ा था? कॉमर्स की साइंस?
Commerce.
बिजनेस स्टडीज थी सब्जेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
उसमें बताया था कि डेट होती है, डेट और इक्विटी पढ़ाया
Debt
था?
and equity. Okay. Okay.
Isn't it?
Fine.
पॉकेट मनी मिलती है?
हाँ.
मैंने आपसे शेयर किया ना, हम 17 साल के थे, जीरो इन्वेस्टमेंट, सिर्फ कुछ लोगों को टोपी पहनाई थी.
Okay.
यार मूवीज देखते हो, हिंदी मूवीज देखते हो, डोंट यू गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय मूवीज लाइक बैंड बाजा बारात?
Yes, sir.
उनके पास कैपिटल थी?
No.
बदमाश कंपनी वालों के पास कैपिटल थी?
No, sir.
और ये तो मैं आपको कुछ रियल टाइम एग्जांपल्स बता रहा हूं. गूगल पे जाना और पढ़ना, बहुत सारे बिजनेसमैन ने विदाउट कैपिटल भी शुरू किया. किसी को पार्टनर बनाया, किसी से उधार मांगा, कहीं अपना आइडिया बेचा, पार्ट टाइम काम किया, कैपिटल जनरेट की. एक रास्ता नहीं है कैपिटल क्रिएट करने का, राइट? और बिलीव मी, व्हाट्स योर एज?
22.
22 साल की एज में बहुत कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हो जो हम 42 साल की एज में नहीं कर सकते, टू जनरेट कैपिटल,
Okay, sir.
राइट? सो
Thanks.
लॉट ऑफ कैपिटल अवेलेबल, बट मे बी यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एट इट. एनीबडी एल्स? You can also give me a feedback that how was I. So no questions? Yeah.
Good morning, sir. My name is Naina. I want to know how you got the idea of giving an event at the time when there were no events in the industry going on.
Interesting.
How you got the idea of arranging an event?
Actually बड़ा interesting question है. सच बताऊं आपको, तो हम लोग जब स्कूल से एक इवेंट देखने गए थे, बैंक क्लब हुआ करता था उस टाइम, और वो सेम इवेंट करते थे, इंटर स्कूल वेस्टर्न म्यूजिक कंपटीशन, और हम कुलाची हंसराज के थे, तो हमें उन्होंने घुसने नहीं दिया था. क्योंकि हमारे पास ना तो टिकट थी और उनके यहाँ ये था कि यूनिफॉर्म स्कूल की होगी वही एंट्री टिकट थी, तो हमारी तो यूनिफॉर्म मॉडर्न की थी नहीं, तो दे डिडंट अलाउ अस टू एंटर. बट अंदर जो लोग जा रहे थे वो बड़े फैंसी लग रहे थे एंड वी वर स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड की, और हमारी ईगो हर्ट हो गई. तो हमने बोला कि भाई अब तो 4 महीने में ये सब लोग अंदर होंगे और हम बिल्कुल सेंटर स्टेज पे बैठेंगे. तो दैट इज हाउ दैट इवेंट गॉट क्रिएटेड.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I'm very keen to know.
What is the time? 12:15. Okay.
Sir, I'm very keen to know how you managed to meet Amitabh Bachchan and how you were able to convince him to.
Oh, so you were listening carefully, huh? Another very interesting question. इस जो मैं अभी बात बताऊंगा ना आपको, उससे आपको एक चीज सीखनी चाहिए कि नेवर थिंक कि एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. हमने मिस्टर बच्चन को फैक्स भेजा, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. कोरियर किया, कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. बट माइंड में एक ये था कि मिस्टर बच्चन को बुलाना है. सो माइंड में था, तो आई वॉज रीडिंग, और एक दिन मैं एक न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा था और उसमें मैंने देखा कि मिस्टर बच्चन एंड मिसेस जया बच्चन मुलायम सिंह यादव के बेटी की शादी पे डांस कर रहे हैं. सो दिस वाज 1999 एंड आई रेड द होल आर्टिकल. तो मैंने उसमें देखा कि देयर इज समबडी कॉल्ड अमर सिंह हु इज वेरी पावरफुल एंड वेरी क्लोज टू बच्चन्स एंड ही इज अ एमपी ऑफ राज्यसभा. तो मैंने कहा बच्चन तक तो नहीं पहुंच सकते, लेकिन एमपी राज्यसभा तक तो पहुंच ही सकते हैं. तो मैंने उनके घर ऑफिस का नंबर पता किया, कहीं से फोन किया और प्रिंसिपल किरोड़ीमल कॉलेज के ऑफिस से फोन करके अपॉइंटमेंट सेटअप किया और हम दोनों पहुंच गए वहां. और फिर उसके बाद हमने थोड़ा सा अमर सिंह जी को चार्म किया, उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया, एंड विद इन फ्यू आवर्स वी हैड मिस्टर बच्चन्स कॉन्फर्मेशन विद अस. सो यू गॉट द आंसर. सो व्हाट डिड यू लर्न आउट ऑफ इट? Everything is possible. Just keep your eyes, ears, thought process open. There is a way out for anything. Right? Any more questions? So just quick feedback. Okay, 2-3 people share. So what did you got out of today's session?
So it was very interesting session. You shared your personal story with us, and I think it's a very good for us. It's a very learning stage at which we all are. It's a very young age. We can learn about entrepreneurs.
What's your name?
Yamini.
So Yamini, what are you taking back, like personally for yourself?
So I'll think about an entrepreneur because I have an idea for pursuing my after pursuing my MBA. I'll go to a job, earn some learning, and then I'll enter into the business.
Very good. And anything else you got today, like something which you are going to keep with you?
Yeah, sure, sir. Your ideas.
No, not my ideas.
I mean, not your ideas. I'll learn what you have told us.
नहीं, मुझे बताओ ना कि आप अपनी लाइफ को लीड करने में
Yes, sir.
आज के इस 1 hour सेशन में से क्या कोई ऐसी चीज लेके जा रहे हो कि
I'll keep on trying. I'll learn from my failures. If I'll not succeed in few years, right away after doing my business, I'll keep on trying, and I think I'll be at a very good situation after that.
very good. So can we just acknowledge her? Can we clap for her? Thank you. Anybody else? So let me see I made some sense or not. What did you, are you taking back something home? What's your name? Himani. So did you get anything out of my talking for yourself, like for yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, after listening to you, I think I want to start some business. Like,
भैया कुछ लोग जॉब भी कर लेना.
so मतलब आपको सुनने के बाद I think I should start a business. I want to be a successful person. Like, after doing my BBA only, I want to start something new. Like,
Congratulations. So can we clap for her? Okay. Are you taking back something? Oh, you will celebrate failure.
Yes, sir.
Very good, yeah.
Celebrate failure and start young and start early.
Very good, very good. Okay, can we clap for him? So this is all faculty, right? You seem to be faculty. So did I make some sense? Yes. So can you just share with from one of them? So am I fit to be an MBA student, sir?
You're already fit, sir.
Huh?
My actually addition will be there that what you pointed out success. I have actually gone through some of the studies earlier, and it was mentioned very very rightly that when our preparations meet our performance, it is a success for us.
Right.
So I think we can actually take up the lesson that keep going and keep going.
Right. Yeah. Thank you. Any of you would like to share that? How was the session? Yeah. I'm just coming to you. So I would want faculty to share. So did I make some sense that all MBA students should not only consider job as an option? Ma'am, share.
Yeah, definitely they should go for this entrepreneur. I think this will be a good learning session for the students.
So can I go back with the hope that some of you will talk about entrepreneurship during your session?
Yeah, sure.
So you will make sure that they talk about entrepreneurship. Okay, so one last person. Somebody wanted to say something. Yeah.
Sir, can I again have the definition of success that you mentioned?
Distance. Oh, okay. So let me.
Success is nothing but distance between two failures.
But sir, success is basically going from failure to failure without the loss of enthusiasm.
Yeah, so celebrate failure, na? Because failure is the genesis of success.
But sir, we have to be enthusiastic for the work we are actually pursuing.
So उसका what's your name?
Chaitanya.
उसका एक रीजन ये है कि अब तक जब हम छोटे थे तो हम सबको सिखाया गया है कि फेल होना बुरी बात है, राइट? सबको सिखाया गया है कि फेल होना बुरी बात है, राइट? तो जब हमको ये लगता है कि फेल होना बुरी बात है, तो जैसे ही हम फेल होते हैं तो हमारा एंथुसियाज्म डाउन हो जाता है. अगर हमको ये सिखाया जाए कि फेल होना प्रोसेस का एक हिस्सा है और इनफैक्ट वो फेल होना प्रोसेस का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है, क्योंकि अगर आप फेल नहीं होगे तो नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ सक्सेस आएगा ही नहीं, तो आप कभी भी आपका एंथुसियाज्म डाउन नहीं होगा, राइट? सो डिड यू गेट योर आंसर? ओके, वेरी गुड. कुछ somebody wanted to say something. You wanted to say. So one last person.
Sir, as per you, as in you found out various ways, to get into or to achieve something. So I'm sorry to use a layman language, but was it a jugadu thing that you did?
No, not only jugad.
Then that's what, as in, you were finding ways.
I'm a smart cookie also. Why only jugad?
Sir, no,
whatever works. You don't like Shah Rukh Khan?
Yeah, we do.
You like Shah Rukh Khan? Does he वो एक ही तरह का रोल करता है?
No.
Versatile है ना?
Yes.
Why not?
No, but as in, see, if I am sitting here today and if tomorrow my college says, okay, for the fest we want Shah Rukh Khan to come, so probably for a month at
Achha, what is the difference between jugaad and strategy?
So jugaad is something, you keep on poking somebody or the other. You keep on finding a bit of a way also. If there is a hole also, you'll try and fit into that hole also.
And what is strategy?
Strategy is you are planning something. As you go step by step.
So jugaad bhi step by step ही होता है.
Sir, jugaad is something that, if today she says, okay fine, hold my hand, I'll take you there. If she says,
उसके दिमाग में step चल रहा होता है. जो जुगाड़ू होता है.
So वो तो सर दूसरे इंसान के दिमाग में चल रहा होता है.
No, fine. Relax. So actually, so don't worry. So point is, it cannot be one way. I can't enter into FMS purely by jugaad, but at the same time there are many things which we use a term called jugaad, and I don't mind it, and it's fine. It's part of our language. But the moot point is keep going. Never get stuck, never get this thing कि ये हो नहीं रहा है तो कैसे होगा? जुगाड़ लगाओ. Where is the issue? जहां आपको books use करनी है, जहां आपको research use करनी है, जहां जुगाड़ लगाना है, the point is keep going. कभी भी किसी चीज से डरो मत कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, काश मेरे पास कोई जुगाड़ होता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सब कुछ है. Everything is available with you. Just find out and apply it. You got it? So thank you all. It was really, for me, it was really enjoying. I don't know about you. I think मुझे पता नहीं कि आप लोगों ने enjoy किया या bore हुए. But that was me, and thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you, all the faculty, and thank you, Ty. Bye.
Sir, a heartfelt thanks for sharing your story. Your words indeed inspired us, and we believe that we will indeed take up to them.
Got it.
And I would request our Director General, sir, to please present our guest with the memento. Please give a huge round of applause.
I got my memento in real love. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Please listen to other stories
Now,
also. And I want a very, very accurate feedback on this program. Okay? We are associating with them with the purpose, and that purpose are we achieving, not achieving, which way we should modulate our actions. I will request you to give a very, very accurate feedback here, sir. Thank you.
now I would request our next guest, Mr. Vishwadeep Bajaj, to please take over the session. Welcome, sir.
So hello friends. Is this audible? Yeah. Hello. So hi, my name is Vishwadeep, and I run a company called Value First. So the way Manoj ran the session, I will run it slightly differently. So I'm going to be giving a monologue. Basically, I will keep speaking for some time, and then I would interact. So a slightly different format. But the purpose for me here to be here is share my story, but really what I want to share is a big secret. And this is a secret which I learned accidentally, and I think it is such a powerful thing. I cannot imagine that at the end of the session, if you really grasp this secret, then it will change your life forever. So it's a very powerful statement, powerful promise I'm already making at the beginning of my speech or my interaction with you. So first, couple of lines about Value First. So Value First is the company which I run. I founded it in 2003. It is a digital media company, and by digital media probably you already associate a lot of things, but we are into digital advertising. So we do email marketing, display marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, and this is something which has happened over time. When I was studying, there was no internet, etc. So you can already see how I would have transformed in my various stages of life to get here, because this is not something which I could have dreamt of as a business, because internet did not exist. So I will also, like Manoj, start with my school. So I was in central school, and my father was in a transferable job. So every few years he would get transferred, and every time I had to begin by making new friends. But that also was a good thing, because it made me learn, adapt, and also adjust to new environment. And I think that is something which is carrying me along even today. But more importantly, when I was in class 11th, 12th, I became a philosopher. So I started thinking about purpose of life and so on. So I just kept reading books, and my focus from studies completely went away. And when it really mattered, I did not really know what to do, because those days the career opportunities which were available were only two, like either become a doctor or an engineer. And I was a science student, which also with I think I had both biology and science, mathematics. See, I've already forgotten that. Yeah, so I had both options available to pursue either of the two, but really I was not prepared. and as a consequence I failed in all my entrance exam. And when you fail after 12th, you don't really have any option other than to join graduation, which is what I did. And whilst I was pursuing my graduation, even at that point I was still into that philosophical mode, into that investigative journey, so I was only reading philosophy. And somehow I passed my graduation, and once that happened, once again I had no idea about what career path to take. So this is way back. Once I was shopping with my father and I met one guy in a shop. I went to another shop, I met the same guy, and another shop I met the same guy. So this is ironic that my career decision actually got triggered through this accidental meeting with a stranger. So I kept meeting him in a few shops, and then I ended up asking him, what is your name, what do you do? And he said he was pursuing chartered accountancy. So I got really fascinated by the word. I said, explain me what this is. And he said, this is what chartered accountancy means. So I came home and I told my parents that I want to become a chartered accountant. So my parents were really happy. They were delighted that this good for nothing boy has actually found something in his life. So as a consequence, I joined as an article clerk in a chartered accountant's firm and started pursuing my articleship. So normally in chartered accountancy, at least in those days, you would have your first exams after end of 1 year of articleship. So whilst I was doing my CA, at the end of the year, before I could take my exam, I developed chickenpox. And I'm going to this level of detail because this is very important part of my story. That when I developed chickenpox, I was taken home, quarantined and so on. And whilst I was recovering, there was a newspaper